Once your student is logged into Schoology, they will see the very first page, which is called the course dashboard. On the course dashboard will be the place where they can see what class they are in. It will have all of the classes that your student is enrolled in. So for Summer Academy, your student will only see one picture. At the top of the page, you have information on what courses your student is in, any groups that your teachers place your students in so that they can communicate with them, and then resources that they can use for class. If their teacher has any resources that they will be using, the teacher will let them know if they need to go there. Then you have a search feature. You've got an app center. You have a calendar that will let you know when you have upcoming events. Shows when you have assignments that are due. Then you have the mail feature. This is how you will get in touch with your teachers. You will not use your Gmail accounts or your Google accounts. You will email your teachers using this email feature. This bell lets you know if you have any notifications from your teachers, if they've posted any information for you, any assignments, any assessments, any quizzes, and also if they've left you any messages. Here is where your profile is. It also is where you will log out after each session. It is important that your student logs out each day when they are done with their work. So I'm going to click on Mr. Walker's 4th grade class to show you what the course looks like. So inside the course, the first page that you come to will be the materials page. The materials page lets you know all of the materials that your teacher has placed in the course for your student. This is where they will find introduction information. It's where they will find the curriculum or the activities that they will be doing. Here is a copy of the digital packet that you all received in the mail. And then here are the folders where your student will get information from the teachers on what assignments are due each week. Then you have other folders from teachers in the course who are working with your student. There is a discussion forum where your student will be answering questions and communicating with their classmates and their teacher. You also have the Zoom session link for your student. So Zoom session 1 would be morning, Zoom session 2 would be afternoon. Your student will click on this Zoom session in order to start their class each day. And this is your materials page. If you click on updates, this is where the teachers will post information for everyone in the class. So as I said during orientation, this looks a lot like Facebook. This is also where your students will be able to post comments to their teachers. The teachers will let you know if they want you to use the updates page or the discussion forum to have conversations with them. You will click on the grades to find out what grades your student has received on the assignments and activities that they have submitted to their teacher for grading. Members tells your student who all is in their classroom. This is a great place for you as a parent to look to find out who the teachers are who are working with your students, and also who the principal is for their grade level. If you click here where the little notebook is, it tells you what classes your student is in. For Summer Academy, there's only one class, so it will not show any more classes here. The notifications tab lets your student choose what notifications that they receive in their email and on their bell. As a parent, I would suggest that you have them make sure that they are getting notified when there's an update posted, when there are course comments on updates, assignments, or discussions, and when comments have been made on the posts that they have created. And also if they have any course materials that are overdue. They will click save, and then they will start getting the different notifications. Your student should always make sure that at the end of each day, they have completed all of their assignments for that day. By clicking on the folder, it shows your student what activities they have for that week. If your student has to complete anything, you will see a note that says must complete. When they click on it, it will show them all of their activities. So here, your students would actually have to watch the video, and then they're going to answer the 2 questions. So the teachers will let them know if they need to answer the questions in the comment box below, or if they actually need to submit the assignment. If your student needs to submit the assignment, they will click on Submit Assignment, and they can either upload a file, they can create, so they can type their answers in here, or if they've saved something to their resources, they can find it here as well. If you have any questions or need any support, please feel free to reach out to the instructional technology team or your student's teacher for more support on how to use Schoology.